Replacing a door might seem like a straightforward task, but it involves careful planning and execution to achieve the desired outcome. Whether you're upgrading your home's curb appeal, improving energy efficiency, or enhancing security, this guide provides a comprehensive roadmap to door replacement in Fort Worth. Step 1. Assess your needs. The first step in replacing your door is understanding why you're replacing it. Are you dealing with a damaged door, or do you simply want to modernize your home? Your reasons will influence your choice of materials, styles, and additional features. Fort Worth homeowners often prioritize durable, weather-resistant doors that can withstand Texas's fluctuating climate. Step 2. Choose the right type of door. Once you've identified your needs, it's time to explore the types of doors available. Common options include exterior doors. These doors need to balance aesthetics, security, and insulation. Popular choices are wood, steel, and fiberglass. Interior doors. For indoor spaces, materials like solid wood or hollow core designs offer a mix of functionality and style. Sliding or French doors. Perfect for patio entrances, these styles bring elegance and functionality to your living spaces. Consider the architectural style of your home to ensure your new door complements your overall aesthetic. Step 3. Take accurate measurements. Proper measurements are critical for a seamless fit. Measure the height, width, and depth of your current door frame. If the frame itself is damaged or warped, you may need to replace it, too. For Fort Worth residents who may not feel confident in their measuring abilities, many local contractors and door suppliers offer professional measurement services. Step 4. Select materials and features. When choosing materials, consider Fort Worth's climate. Summers can be scorching, and winters, though mild, still require good insulation. Here's a quick overview of materials. Wood. Timeless and elegant, but it requires regular maintenance to withstand weather changes. Steel. Durable and secure, though it can heat up during the hot Texas summers. Fiberglass. A versatile and energy-efficient choice that mimics the look of wood without the upkeep. Additional features like energy-efficient glass, built-in blinds, or reinforced locking systems can add value to your investment. Step 5. Set a budget. Establishing a clear budget will streamline your decision-making process. Factor in the cost of the door, hardware, installation, and any additional upgrades. In Fort Worth, door replacement costs can range from $500 to $2,500 or more, depending on materials and customization. Step 6. Hire a professional or DIY. While some homeowners may attempt to replace a door themselves, professional installation is often the better choice. Professionals ensure proper alignment, insulation, and security features, which can be challenging to achieve on your own. Fort Worth has many reputable contractors who specialize in door installation and can provide expert guidance. Step 7. Prepare your home. Before the installation day, clear the area around the door. Remove furniture, decorations, and any obstructions to give installers ample space to work. Inform family members or neighbors about the project to minimize disruptions. Step 8. Installation day. On installation day, The old door is removed, and the frame is inspected for any damage or alignment issues. The new door is then installed, ensuring a snug fit and proper sealing. A professional installer will also check that the door opens and closes smoothly, locks securely, and is free of drafts. Step 9. Inspect the work. Once the installation is complete, inspect the door thoroughly. Check for gaps, ensure the locks function properly, and confirm that the door aligns with your expectations. If you notice any issues, address them with the installer immediately. Step 10. Maintain your new door. Regular maintenance prolongs the life of your door. For wood doors, apply a protective finish annually. For steel and fiberglass doors, clean them with mild soap and water periodically. Keep the hinges lubricated and inspect the weather stripping to maintain energy efficiency. Conclusion. Replacing a door in Fort Worth can enhance your home's appearance, functionality, and value. By following this step-by-step guide, you'll ensure a smooth and successful door replacement process. Whether you choose a DIY approach or hire a professional, the key is planning and attention to detail. A beautiful, functional door is not just an entryway. It's a statement about your home's character and your commitment to quality.